open these two end screws and remove the complete plate from the body. Take out the body. Now this is a kit for the retrofitment. This is a back side, two drivers are there, and the end is a connectors. These two connectors are connected with the mains. The black wire is a mains out. Put it on the same position and same screw you fit it on your bracket and secure the LED plate. And after that you just put your cover, original cover. If it is not there, we will supply this plate which will act as the same way shade. It is a PC shade and your fitment is ready. Now I'll just connect, see the light. There is a light. I'll just switch it off. Again I'm switching on, just see. These two spots are the original bracket of the original fittings. For there is no solution because it will remain same as it is the original one. Otherwise one has to cut. So again it is extra labor or effort is required, which is not acceptable by the running ship.